Cement concrete blocks have become popular and are extensively used in construction nowadays. These blocks can be used for both load-bearing and non-load-bearing walls. The blocks should be visually checked for dimensions, broken edges, cracks and honeycombing, as they may reduce the strength. Normally, good quality concrete blocks exhibit better and consistent strength as compared to clay bricks. The use of good quality concrete blocks consumes lesser cement mortar for joints and plastering. The savings may be around 20%. The construction would be faster as each concrete block replaces about 7 to 8 clay bricks and the number of joints are less. These blocks provide good backing and strong bond for plastering. Water absorption of these blocks are relatively lower than clay bricks. Most importantly, cement concrete blocks are environmental friendly as precious fertile soil used by clay bricks is conserved and carbon emission due to inefficient burning of clay bricks is avoided. Cement concrete blocks are more eco-friendly compared to traditional bricks. Cement concrete blocks exhibit better quality than burnt clay bricks. Construction of masonry with blocks would be fast.